So guys, welcome back to my video again. Today as I will discuss about the English for business, and I have a topic discussed in company. In company, I would like to discuss a 16 keywords for about the business company. The topic discussed is the first is income. After this income, you will next in the operating cost. After the operating cost is there are interest, tax, profit, salary, asset, stock, investment, balance, account receivable, discounted tax, transaction, deposit, bonus, and credit. And after that, today, now I would like to discuss the topic with the subtopic. So the first is, and I have a three section based topic I would like to discuss. But the first is about the transaction, and then the next is tax. After the tax, the third is about the salary. So guys, in this topic about the company, have a best topic. His name is about the transaction. In transaction is I would like to describe about a transaction is an agreement between a buyer and a seller to exchange good service or financial instrument. And after that, in accounting, the event is effect to finance of a business must be recorded on the books, and the accounting is transaction will be recorded differently. If the company use accrual accounting rather than cash accounting, accrual accounting record transaction when revenues or expenses are released. That is meaning from the transaction. And after that, next to the tax. In this tax, I would like to explain again. In tax is we discussed about is a compulsory charge or some other type of level imposed upon a taxpayer, an individual or legal entity, and by a governmental organization in order to fund various public expenditure. A failure to pay along with evasion of resistance to taxation is punishable by law. And taxes consist of the direct or indirect taxes and may be paid in money or as its labor equivalent. The first known taxation took place in ancient Egypt around 3000 and then to 1800 BC. Most countries have a tax system in place to pay for public, common or agreed national needs and government functions. Some levy a flat percentage rate of taxation on personal annual income, but most scales taxes based on annual income amounts. So after the tax, I would like to move to the salary. This is the the best topic in this company. So salary is a form of payment from an employer to an employee, which may be specific in an employment contract. It is contrasted with wage, where each job, hour, or other unit is paid separately, rather than on the periodic basis. Basic from the point of the view of running a business, salary can also be reviewed as the cost of acquiring and retaining human resource of running operation, and is the term personal expenses or salary. Salary is a fixed amount of money or compensation paid to an employee by an employer in return for work performed. Salary is commonly paid in fixed intervals, for example, monthly payment or 1/12 or annual salary. So that is the three topic I discussed about the best topic in the company take. So there are is have a different topic again. So I would like to read it for you later. So after this topic, I have the material about the dialogue, and after the dialogue is I would like to showing the with the slide in beside of me. You can read that after this. After you read the dialogue, now I would like to give you some topic is about the income. Maybe all of you is have heard what is the income. So now I would like to read for you. Income is money or some equivalent value that an individual or business receive or exchange for providing a good or service or through investing capital. Income is used to fund day-to-day expenditure. And after the income, I would like to read for you again about the operating cost. What is operating cost? Operating cost is our expenses associated with the maintenance or administration. Associated with the maintenance and administration of a business on a day-to-day basis. The total operating cost for a company includes a cost of goods sold, operating expenses, as well as overhead expenses. And then now I would like to discuss about the profit. All of you already know the profit, but profit is have a full meaning. Like as you know, I would like to read for you. What is the profit? Profit is described the financial benefit relates with revenue generated from a business activity, exceeded to expenses, costs, and taxes involved in instancing the activity in the question. Any profits earned funnel back to the business owner, who choose to either pocket the case or finish it back into the business. Profit is calculated as total revenue less total expenses. That is meaning from the profit. Already, all of you is already know it. So what is the meaning? I will already. And now I still have three topic again about is asset, stock, and investation. Which one is have the meaning different? So from the asset, I would like to read. Asset is a resource owned the business, anything tangible or intangible that can be owned or controlled, produce value, and that is help be a company or to produce positive economic value is asset. Simply state, asset is the represent value of ownership that can be converted into the cash, although cash itself is also considered as asset. And the second is stock. Stock is the most popular financial market instrument. Using other stock is one of the company of option when deciding to fund the economy. On the other hand, stock are the investment instrument that is widely selected by investors because stocks are able to provide an attractive level of profit. And then about the infestation. Infestation is the state of being invaded or overrun by pest or parasite. It can also refer to the actual organism living or on or within. That is have a meaning from the asset, stock, and infestation. And the next topics I will compare. What is the balance? In company, it have a topic which this name is balance, because this company is have an organization. So after that, balance is I would like to read that. What is the balance set? A balance set is a financial accounting document used to state a company as a current asset, liabilities, and equity. A business should have a balance set available in order to show potential investor and shareholders the current financial state of their company. Balance sheet should be updated regularly to reflect the current financial state of the business. And in company is also have a topic about the deposit, because company is very big. And after, what is the deposit? Deposit is the act of placing cash or cash equivalent with some entity, most commonly with a financial institution such as a bank. The deposit is a credit for the party, individual, or organization who places it, and it may be taken back with her drawn in accordance with the terms agreed at time of deposit, transferred to some other party, or used. And then its bonus is usually made up to the employees in addition to their base salary or part of their wage. And while the base salary usually is a fixed amount per month, bonus payment more often than not vary depending on known criteria. And then now is about topic discuss credit and interest. In credit is the trust which what allows the one party to provide money or resource to another party, wherein the second party does not remember the first party immediately, thereby generating a debt, but promise either to repay or return those resources or another material of the equal value, and at the later date. And about how is about the interest? Interest is about like to say this. Interest is a financial and economic is payment from the borrower, deposit taking financial institution to the lender or depositor of an amount above payment of the principal sum, that is the amount borrowed. At a particular rate, it is distinct from a fee which borrower may pay the lender or some third party. Discounted cost is the last topic from the business community. It's a financial mechanism in which a debtor obtains the right to delay payments or to a creditor for a defined period of time. Is exchanged for a charge or free. Essentially, the party that owes money in the present purchase the right to delay the payment until some. So that is the last topic from my this is. I would like to say thank you, and don't forget to give me thumbs up.